Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a walk up what many people know in Benidorm as Cardiac Hill. It is quite steep. Gonna be taking a look at, zoom in a bit, the Magic Rock Gardens. It's a great hotel, guys, but bit up the way. However, I have heard there is a service entrance somewhere. Sounds like it's kicking off, sirens everywhere. Oh, that's your fire stuff. I can't smell any burning. And I've sort of headed round the corner. Maybe someone's jumped off the balcony or something. Anyway, apparently there's a service entrance somewhere up this hill that sort of like a better entrance to get to the hotel. But I really don't know where that actually is. So yeah, I can't really help you there, guys. But it is quite a steep hill. That used to be a bar up here, actually. So if you were walking up here, got tired, you could nip in for a quick pint.
That seems to have gone.
But yeah, it's gone. It's now a low-cost laundrette place to wash your wash your clothes. Jesus Christ. It is quite steep. I have to come up here pushing a wheelchair or something, guys. Do have Hotel Mont Park as well up here. That is another beautiful hotel, but of course the problem is it's at the top of the Cardiac Hill, so yeah. I mean, yeah, if you can walk, if you're like alright at walking, yeah, stay at Mont Park, stay at Magic Rock Gardens. But maybe if you have trouble, I wouldn't recommend it. If you ever put Benidorm there, the lift that takes you down to the swimming pool area. Nice. Ooh. If I sound out of breath, guys, it's 'cause I am not. I've already done like a 20-odd minute film today. Plus, night out last night, so yeah, quite tired. Got an itchy foot now. Now, something that amazes me now is Hotel Mont Park's actually like letting scooters there from what we know about scooters and steep hills.
They mix well, don't they, Marcus?
Yeah, they mix really well. Not. Still on me. Maybe it's 'cause it ain't so steep up to Mont Park. But I don't know. Of course, as you do, eventually, Jesus Christ, I'm out of breath. Get past Mont Park, you got the pool area just there. And yeah, looks a gorgeous hotel. Then of course, Jesus Christ, I feel like I'm climbing up sides of a building or something. And of course, the main attraction But the thing worth climbing Mount Everest for, Magic Rock Gardens. Up to the big hotel, there is another entrance out on Avenida Monte Carlo. Smashing hotel. The Easter Island dummies there, some spider webs. It's accessible with a lift up to reception just at that bit.
It's Dundle.
Sorry for swearing, but I am literally bloody out of
I
breath.
remember that Dundle.
Yeah, who remembers Night at the Museum with the Easter Island head, and he goes, "Dum dum, where's my gum gum?" Something like that. Anyway, great hotel, great for stag do's, hen do's, birthday parties, or even just a lad's holiday or something.
Look for Halloween.
Yeah, ready for Halloween. I don't even know where to head now. Benny Cactus just in the background. Camera ain't really doing it justice. It is on Calais de Manila. When you get a taxi here, I just say like the entrance on Avenida Monte Carlo or the entrance on Calais de Manila. So if you're walking up that hill, like that is literally steep as hell, guys. I feel like I've lost a stone in weight. Tropic Marbon 4 apartments. Then of course, if you are looking for a supermarket, just head down the road. The corner down there is like a little supermarket just down here. And well, if you successfully manage to make it up Cardiac Hill, then you could have a possible successful attempt at making it to Benidorm Cross. I will just suggest though, any attempts you make to Benidorm Cross, pack some drinks, because there's no bars up there. The only bar there is up there is like, sort of at the start of the climb. And all I can say is I'll just be careful going up there. It's not really for those who struggle walking or struggle doing long distance walks. Of course, as I said, come to end the road here. Nice local sort of supermarket just there, guys. And of course, one of the greatest views of Benidorm, the Fanti Beach, just directly down the hill. I think I'll use that as my thumbnail instead. Anyway, guys, smash the like, smash subscribe. Oh, you have another supermarket up there as well, a one stop. So, yeah, you've got choice of supermarket. Hotel Benny Cactus as well up the top. We'll just say this: if you ever stayed at Magic Rock Gardens, let me know what you think. And let me know if you struggled doing that hill as well. It is a killer. See you soon.